Hi, I'm Alicia Silverstone with PETA. When it comes to animals, there's no need to be a classroom cut-up. Use your right to refuse to dissect frogs, cats, pigs, even worms. Contact me at PETA for information on exciting, humane alternatives to dissection. They'll help you make the grade without using animals. Remember, biology is the study of life, not death.
Hi, I'm Mike Farrell. We hear a lot about youth violence today, what's causing it, how to stop it. We now know that people who do violence to others often begin by abusing animals. Animal cruelty is serious business with serious consequences for all of us. If you see an adult or a child hurting an animal, please report it to the proper authorities immediately. A child who abuses an animal is often himself abused, and the cycle must stop.
Hi, I'm David Chokichi, and this here is Elvis. We're with the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Legs can be beautiful, but what leg hold traps do to them is ugly. This device is used to trap animals for fur. Some animals bite a leg off to escape. Because of the agony this trap causes, Europe wants to ban furs from countries which still use it. Trappers, however, have pressured the White House to oppose the ban. Without your help, animals won't have a leg to stand on. Show you care by showing some leg to President Clinton. Send a picture of your legs to the White House with the message, "Give the animals a break. Ban leg hold traps." A little leg can go a long way in Washington. The animals thank you. Right, Elvis? Yeah, Bubby. He likes the tongue.
I'm Mary Tyler Moore. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals want to tell you about the hidden cruelty in the estrogen drug Premarin, which is made from the urine of pregnant mares. The horse is one of nature's most beautiful animals, yet sadly, tens of thousands suffer and die every year in the Premarin industry. 75,000 mares are chained year after year in tiny stalls for much of their 11-month pregnancies to collect their urine. They cannot take more than a step in any direction, turn around, or even lie down comfortably because of the urine collection bags strapped to them 24 hours a day. Their beautiful foals are considered unwanted byproducts of urine production. Most are sold with their worn-out mothers to slaughterhouses and killed for dog food or the dinner tables of Europe and Japan. Undercover investigators found pregnant mares, surplus mares, and breeding stallions on these farms, some suffering from pus-oozing wounds, raw sores from the chafing of urine collection bags, and hoof diseases from months of standing in their own feces on cold concrete floors. They also found that the mares are routinely denied exercise and even water to keep their valuable urine more concentrated. Here is Miranda and her baby Aspen Dakota, two beautiful horses PETA rescued from the Premarin industry. Please help us save the others. Join me and all the women and doctors who will no longer use or prescribe Premarin. There are other effective estrogen drugs made from synthetic or plant-based sources which can relieve menopausal symptoms and prevent osteoporosis. I've switched, and I feel great. For more information on Premarin and its alternatives, please call PETA. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alec Baldwin with People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Like most people, I grew up loving circuses and other traveling animal shows, but it never occurred to me what life might be like for the animals. Open your mind and your heart and consider the plight of these performers who did not choose to be in the entertainment business. Don't patronize animal acts.